Hello friends, my name is Talha. Welcome to my channel Carsverse. Today in this video we are going to take a look at 2023 BMW X6. Let's take a quick overview of 2023 BMW X6. Numbers are a funny thing, and in the realm of BMW nomenclature, the X5 SUV is actually a bigger and more practical barge than the sloped-roof X6. In many ways, the X6 behaves like a thick 3 Series in high heels. Powered by either a 335 horsepower inline-6 engine, 40i, or a feistier 523 horsepower twin-turbo V8, M50i, the X6 deploys power with the same smoothness of shaving cream. For more power, seek the X6M with up to 617 horsepower. Although the X6's exterior proportions look misshapen, the interior is elegant and functional. The fashionably slanted roof sacrifices some headroom and storage space, but those who prefer striking looks above all else are unlikely to mind its higher price tag over the X5. This is what's new. BMW makes no major changes to the X6 for 2023. Now for the engine, transmission, and performance. The X640i is powered by a 335 horsepower turbocharged 3.0-liter inline-6 that features a 48-volt hybrid system and pairs with an 8-speed automatic transmission and all-wheel drive. The M50i has the same transmission and all-wheel drive too, but its twin-turbo 4.4-liter V8 is significantly more powerful. Its 523 horsepower and 553 pound-feet of torque helped it rocket to 60 miles per hour in just 3.8 seconds of our test track. What's even more shocking is that the X6M has up to 617 horsepower and is even quicker. Still, the standard 6-cylinder powertrain is plenty quick and velvety smooth. Both the X640i and M50i also have standard adaptive dampers and wheel sizes that range from 20 to 22 inches. Our test of the V8-powered X6 revealed its impressive cornering grip and stopping power. Although its suspension is firmer than the setup found on the 6-cylinder X6 we tested, it was never punishing. We also appreciated its adjustable steering heft and hushed interior at cruising speed. Now for interior, comfort, and cargo. Unsurprisingly, the X6's interior looks and feels like most other new BMW products. That means upscale materials and soft-touch surfaces abound, and two large 12.3-inch digital displays dominate the dashboard. While the instrument panel looks slick, the gauges are a confusing mess. Thankfully, the optional head-up display is more straightforward. The rest of the switchgear is also smartly laid out. BMW's gesture controls, which enable you to control certain functions such as audio volume by waving your hand in front of the infotainment screen, are included, but unnecessary. Plenty of standard amenities are offered, too, including 16-way power adjustable front seats, customizable ambient lighting, heated front cushions, and passive entry. While the back seat is comfortable for 2 adults, its legroom and headroom shrink by about 2 and 3 inches, respectively, compared with the boxier X5. Likewise, the X6 has less cargo volume behind the rear seats. In our test, it only held 9 carry-on suitcases back there. The X5 handled 11. I hope you enjoyed this video. For more videos like this, like, share, and subscribe to Carsverse, and thank you so much for watching.